What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect the Google Calendar with the Claude. It's going to be a very simple process, so make sure you stick to the video till the end to get to know about it. Once you're on the Claude application of desktop, just go to the plus icon and you will see the connector option. If you haven't included the Google Calendar connector till yet, just go to the add connector option, and in the add connector you just have to search for the Google Calendar. Here you will see the Google Calendar is top third most popular connector option. Once you have installed the connector, you just have to go to the manage connector option or just toggle it on or off from here. Now, once go to the manage connector option, you will see Google Calendar. Here you can allow, if you want to allow all, you can just simply do that. If you want to allow something according to your customization, you can do that. It's totally up to you, and that's how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.